Jos Buttler. He has Butler in his name, but all he served India today was a spicy innings filled with gigantic sixes and delightful boundaries. Indian bowlers could do nothing as Buttler turned into a butcher and annihilated Indian bowling with an extraordinary innings of 83 not out, on the back of which England won the third T20 international by 8 wickets and took 2-1 lead in the 5-match T20 series. Hello and welcome, you're watching TV9 News. I'm your host Atishay. Just to take you through how things panned out in the third T20 international, England skipper Eoin Morgan won the toss and put India into bat first on a wicket which was slightly on the stickier side. England pacers did justice to their skipper's decision to bowl first. Mark Wood and Jofra Archer bowled brilliantly up front and India got off to the worst possible start. The sheer pace of Wood and Archer rattled the Indian top order. The decision to continue with KL Rahul backfired for India as the right-hander registered another duck. Rohit Sharma too looked rusty after sitting out the first 2 games, and he was the next Indian batsman to head back to the pavilion. The hero of the second T20, Ishan Kishan, tried to continue his attacking form, but he perished after scoring just 4 runs. At that point of time, England was threatening to blow away Team India with Wood and Archer streaming in from either ends. Mark Wood in particular bowled with searing pace and utilised the short ball to good effect. At the end of 6 overs, India had lost 3 wickets with only 24 runs on the board. Skipper Virat Kohli and Rishabh Pant tried to rebuild India's innings. Pant took the role of the aggressor, scoring 25 runs in just 20 deliveries before a ridiculous call from Kohli saw the southpaw falling short of his crease. Iyer, who replaced Pant at the crease, could only manage 9 runs, and in the middle order, things were looking extremely gloomy for men in blue as England never let the rate go above 6. Things changed after the completion of the 15th over. Virat Kohli absolutely went berserk in the final 5 overs and England bowlers had no answers to Kohli's masterclass. Kohli at one point was batting on 28 runs in 29 deliveries, but he scored the next 49 runs in just 17 deliveries. Indian skipper scored in total 77 runs in 46 deliveries with the help of 8 boundaries and 4 magnificent sixes. Hardik Pandya also struck 2 sixes as India collected 69 runs in the last 5 overs. Kohli's blistering innings powered India to 156 by the end of 20 overs. Overall, it was a disappointing performance by Indian batsmen as apart from Kohli, who played some delightful shots, everyone struggled to score runs freely. With Dew around, it was always going to be difficult for the Indian bowlers to defend 156 runs. But to their credit, Bhuvneshwar Kumar and Shardul Thakur started brilliantly with the new ball. Chahal, who was introduced in the attack in the 4th over, removed dangerous Jason Roy for just 9 runs. But Jos Buttler looked in stupendous touch right from ball 1. He found his strokes very early and Indian bowlers had absolutely no answers to Buttler's onslaught. He scored runs easily off spinners as well as pacers and hit some mammoth sixes and soaked the life out of Indian bowlers. Jonny Bairstow played a supporting role to Jos Buttler. Bairstow finished the game by smashing 2 consecutive boundaries and remained unbeaten on 40 runs. When it comes to India's bowling, the spinners failed to stem the flow of runs in the middle overs and even the fast bowlers didn't do much, especially after the first 3 overs where they bowled brilliantly, utilised the new ball, but after that it was a one-man show as Jos Buttler just played a scintillating innings. In the field, India was absolutely pathetic. Chahal, Kohli put down catches while there were misfields which made life easier for English batsmen. Now it's going to be a do-or-die situation for Team India as they trail the visitors in the 5-match T20 series. Do let us know what did you think about India's performance in the third T20 international in the comment section below. And in the meantime, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to TV9 News across all social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching.